This is the final assignment in computer graphics until April 13th. I'm not going to be making any new assignment on Thursday of this week. So this is a Wednesday, Thursday thing, and actually you have till April 13th, really. There's not going to be any new e-learning until April 13th. And really, here's what we're doing. Yesterday, I asked you to just kind of sketch out or mock up a design for a shirt, something for the front, something for the back. You have to listen, you have to read, you have to pay attention, front and back. And so now what you do today is you take that drawing, that mock-up that you made, and try to make it in Illustrator and just do the best you can, right? Try to make your Illustrator file look as much like your drawing as possible. Or if you really have a change of heart and a change of idea and you want to do something different, you could. But the idea is you take what you drew up and then make it happen in Illustrator. Yesterday was about having an idea. Today is about making the idea happen. So this handout is posted and it has some requirements on it. You got to do your work in Illustrator, have some text and some artwork on there, something for the front and something for the back. Scoring just goes to text is 10 points, graphic work is 10 points, front and back is 10 points, and a little bit of effort is 10 points, so that adds up to 40. Remember the things that we've done, things like the rotation tricks and all the type tricks and the badge designs and anything else you have learned about Illustrator in our whole time in Illustrator. Make it on a new artboard. You might actually want a second artboard so you can have one for the front, one for the back, or you could do it in separate files. However you want to do that is fine. If you want to change what would look like the shirt color, draw a big rectangle, make it the color you want, and send it to the back. But I would do that last if it were me working on it, and I'll show you mine in a minute. All right, so you make an effort to connect and do the assignment in Illustrator. Don't wimp out on me here and not even try. You make the effort to connect and try to do the assignment in Illustrator. If you can do so and you can save your Illustrator file, then do that and turn it in on Schoology. If you're having trouble saving, take a screenshot of it and turn that in. If you cannot connect, if you just can't connect, if you just can't get it to work, which I don't know. I mean, every time I try it, it works, so I don't know. But anyway, if you cannot connect, then what you would do is just take your sketch that you did for yesterday's assignment and just kind of redraw it a little neater, a little better. Just clean it up. Maybe add a few things. Make it look a little better. Put a little color into it. A little more time and effort into it. And just get it in a more final form. Here's what my shirt design would look like. Then again, you could do it. If you can't manage to connect remotely and do it on Illustrator, then you could do it on paper. You could do it on Procreate. You could do it on Google Canvas. You find a way if you cannot do it in Illustrator. But I want you to try to do it in Illustrator first. All right, I've already got a tab here that is connected to the virtual desktop. I'm not going to go through all that, and you're not going to watch me do this. I'm just going to show you. So yesterday, for the assignment yesterday, this was my sketch, my mock-up for the front, and this was my sketch, my mock-up for the back. All right, I just did them quick. I did them first in pencil and then marked over them, and that was it. Front, back. All right, so then I went to work in Illustrator and I tried to make them happen. So here is the front as it actually turned out. I had to make those decisions about color and font and size and stretching things out and positioning and all that. So again, here's how I drew it up, and here's how the front turned out. I don't think it looks too bad. And then here's how the back. Here's how I drew it up. I just sketched it out, right? And so I used that as my guide, and I just did a second artboard right next to the first artboard, and here's my back of my shirt. All right, front, back, cool. And like I said, this is the last assignment for a long time, really, because there will not be any new e-learning until April 13th, and I'm not making a new assignment on Thursday of this week. This is the wrap-up on the shirt design project. All right, so, like always, I always monitor my email, and I'm always watching for questions, and so if you need any help, you can let me know. I'll do my best. I'm limited to what I can do to help you if you're having connection trouble, but I'll do what I can to help. Have a great spring break. I'll check in on Thursday, but I'm not going to make a new assignment. I'll just send an email. I'll send you your attendance email and just check in with you. But that's going to be about it on Thursday. So, hey, fist bump. See you later.